just a few steps, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to install an umbrella holder in your E46. Let's go over what you'll need for this installation. You'll need a 13mm socket and ratchet, as well as umbrella holders. To give yourself more working room, start by folding the rear seats. It will make it easier to access the latch and install the umbrella holder. Next, use a 13mm socket and ratchet to remove the bolts holding the latch in place. With the bolts removed, reinstall the bolts with the umbrella holder in between. It is up to you to decide which side to install the loop on, depending on what feels more comfortable and convenient for you. With one side completed, repeat the same process with the other side. Don't over tighten the bolts and make sure the latch is installed correctly, like this. Not only is the umbrella holder easy to install, but it's also built with incredible durability. You can store items in the trunk knowing the holder is strong enough to withstand any bumps or movements. This holder has a diameter of 0.8 inches and can accommodate any umbrella between 24 to 40 inches. We hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos on the E46 wireless charger or the USB hub.